So coming into your high plank position, drawing the navel in, finding that nice strong core. Bring the right hand into the middle of the mat and roll onto the outside of the right foot. If this is too strong here, you can take the knee down to the mat and make it a little easier. Otherwise, you can go a bit further. I've decided to take the peace fingers to the big toe. Otherwise, just stay here, a couple more breaths in side plank. From here, bringing that left leg behind you, you want to flip into a gentle back bend, wild thing, reaching to the front of the room. Lifting the heart high. From here, very gently roll back to high plank, lower down chaturanga. Inhale up to upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. On the other side now, inhale, snake forward to high plank. Bring the left hand into the middle of the mat this time and onto the outside of the left feet. Again, those options are there. You can make it a little bit easier or a little bit stronger. Stepping the right foot behind you now, I've decided to come up onto the top of that foot, coming into wild thing again on the other side. Inhale, finding your high plank. Exhale, elbows in, chaturanga. Inhale up to upward facing. Exhale, downward facing dog.